You heard a lecture about the CleanImplant Foundation, about the project. What do you think? Do the colleagues really need to have a better awareness of the difference in quality in the market?
I must say, Dirk, that your lecture was an eye-opener to me, because these products, these dental implants that we use in our patients, and we want to have a safe device, these implants sometimes do not seem to be as clean as we believe, or as clean as the manufacturers tells us. So I think that was really an eye-opener. Is it an important issue that we take care of that? Definitely, and I think that it's the patient's right to have the best products, and so I think that an independent organization that supports this drive to get this quality control at a higher level seems to be very appropriate to me, and I would love to be part of that as well. So I think it's definitely it's a quest, and I must recognize I had a little bit of problem myself when I started using a certain American system in the 90s. And when I did my first clinical evaluation, we had nearly 25% of failures in the maxilla.
Okay.
And when I reported this at the International Quintessence meeting in Boston, I remember very well, 20 years ago nearly, I was nearly chased out of the building by the owner and the CEO of the company that I had been criticizing with the scientific data.
Got the same experience sometimes.
Yes,
really.
And really I needed the protection of other participants in the meeting who said, this is not the way you act with a researcher here.
Yeah.
Doctor, you should leave the room now. So I can imagine that industry does not like it, but on the other hand, I think it's our duty as scientists and as clinicians to also open the eyes of the industry.
Yeah, actually there are a lot of companies who really love the work, because we're giving a stage to those companies who spend money, time, efforts. It's time consuming, the quality control, so it's not only, we never want to blame a company, there's always room for improvement. I mean, it's so important that we have a stage for the good ones.
And I think also that an independent evaluation is not wrong. I mean, and sometimes maybe companies do not know that there is an issue in their production process. And if we can improve or give them an indication that they should improve their production process, there can be nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that.
And it's definitely for the benefit of our patients in the long run as well.
Thank you, Hugo. Very
welcome. Thank you.